Hello.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Hello. We wait for Ranveer and Alia. How are you?
Fine. The picture solo.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
I am solo.
I look like this. Joint pictures and I'll come and I'll join pictures.
आलिया मैं भी थोड़ा सा इधर
कॉर्नर से कॉर्नर
सेंटर बॉम्बे से भी हैं, इधर है उधर पीछे हैं। सोलो नहीं, सेंटर लुक एट सेंटर रहिए बस।
So left first.
सेंटर आरके सेंटर सेंटर साथ टुगेदर
आप थोड़ा देख के काम करें। स्टैंड सर रणवीर दिस साइड
सेंटर आलिया आरके सेंटर प्लीज सेंटर
मैम सेंटर
यार हम लोग सेंटर में भी है बॉस।
ये इधर भीड़ में हूँ मैडम, इधर भी कौन भीड़ में हूँ।
सोलो प्लीज आलिया सोलो।
मैम सेंटर
आलिया सेंटर, हाँ थैंक यू
मैम इधर इधर आलिया दिस साइड आलिया जी इधर ये सामने इधर मैम सामने
ज़्यादा हो गया मेरे को यहाँ से नहीं बस इधर
मैम राइट।
तू तो बॉम्बे लेकर आएगा
यार ये तो कोई बात नहीं हुई ना, आपको बोल रहा हूँ मुड़ जाएगा फिर। मैम कॉर्नर
आरके सोलो
आप तो अंदर नहीं आ रहे।
ओए ये बात हुई ना।
सर सामने
सेंटर आरके भाई, हम लोग बीच में भी हैं आरके।
यहाँ पे Thank you. Nice look. Guys, अभी
रहने दे अपन दोनों के टंटे अपन बाद में सुलझा लेंगे। ये लोग हमारे यहाँ पर्सनल लाइफ स्टोरी देखने के लिए नहीं आए हैं, ये लोग आए हैं बड़े ही खास मोमेंट के लिए। वाह भाई, एक तो आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है, आपको अच्छी तरीके से मालूम है कि अभी भी हम लोग किस चीज से गुजर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज कीप वेयरिंग योर मास्क। इट विल बी रियली नाइस फॉर अस एंड फॉर ऑल आवर वंडरफुल फ्रेंड्स हु आर गोना बी ऑन स्टेज। यू लव देम, शो देम सम रिस्पेक्ट, प्लीज वेयर योर मास्क, इट विल बी वंडरफुल। उसके बिना भी सेल्फी अच्छी आएगी तुम्हारी।
प्लीज वेयर योर मास्क। पीछे काफी जगह है, आपका कैमरास में इतने मेगापिक्सल आते हैं आजकल कि आपकी फोटो वहां से भी अच्छी निकल जाएगी। थोड़ा डिस्टेंस बना लो यार।
प्लीज ट्राई डूइंग दैट, इट विल बी वंडरफुल। मैं जानता हूं सबके डबल शॉट हो गए, वैक्सीन के डबल शॉट हुए ना हुए, लेकिन डबल शॉट जरूर हो गए।
ये दिल्ली है मेरे यार।
कैसे लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार, इतने सारे फैंस मैंने तो नहीं देखे पहले।
हाँ, सब तुम्हारे लिए तो आए यहाँ पे।
मेरे लिए तो मेरी मम्मी भी नहीं आती है।
मेरी मम्मी आई है, मेरी मम्मी आई। हाय मामा, वो उधर है, लेकिन वो भी मेरे लिए नहीं आई।
तो फिर
उसके लिए जिसके लिए ये सब आए हैं। किसके लिए? ओके, एंड one sur, okay, 1 2 3. Do we have some Alia fans in the house? Fans! और सबसे ज्यादा शोर ब्रह्मास्त्र के लिए। Wow man, this is it. ये है ब्रह्मास्त्र की असली बात। Hey, just a second. Hold on. Guys, just a second. Hold on. Yeah. Breaking news just coming in.
Guys, रणबीर और आलिया
Have entered the building. Ranbir, can you hear them? Come on, guys, make some noise. Alia, can you hear them? Guys, this is the way it's gonna be.
हमारा नंबर कब?
Okay.
आलिया।
This time for Alia. 1 2 3 go. Well, the beauty of it is both of them are one, and that's the reason why we are here to celebrate this beautiful union. Well, yes, my dear Dolly.
यार feels आ रहे हैं मुझे मंत्रा, मतलब it's a huge deal, okay? हम लोग कब से वेट कर रहे हैं ब्रह्मास्त्र का, बताओ, है ना?
That's been a long time.
इंतजार कर रहे हैं, और ये इंतजार का फल, ये सब्र का फल मीठा होगा, इतना तो मैं श्योर हूँ। पर इमेजिन बॉलीवुड का सुपरस्टार रणबीर कपूर,
Yeah.
बेस्ट हीरोइन मेरी फेवरेट आलिया भट्ट, वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट डायरेक्टर्स जिनकी वेकअप सिड और जवानी दीवानी ने हमको पागल किया, आयान मुखर्जी, और उसके अलावा कई दिग्गज
Absolutely.
साथ में आए हैं। I can't believe it, ये हो रहा है एक्चुअली।
Well, and you were absolutely right, भाई। सदियों में कोई ऐसी फिल्म आती है जो फिल्म के प्रति हमारी सोच समझ बदल देती है। आज के ये फास्ट फूड एंटरटेनमेंट के दौर में एक ऐसी फिल्म आई है जो 1 दशक से बन रही है। Can you imagine that?
दशक, is it like a new club in Delhi?
हाय, तुम साउथ दिल्ली वाली लड़कियां। ओ तू कुड़ी साउथ दिल्ली की, मैं लौंडा जमुना पार का।
कौन है जमुना पार से?
Anybody? Yeah.
जमुना पार represent, साउथ दिल्ली से कौन है? साउथ दिल्ली represent,
All right.
मैं गुड़गांव से हूँ वैसे।
बहुत अच्छे, लगती भी हो तो गुड़गांव वाली कभी-कभार। But jokes apart, guys, Brahmastra is not just a movie. It is not just a cinema. It's in its own way a milestone. क्योंकि I'm sure हम सब ने बहुत सारी फिल्मों को बनते हुए देखा है अपनी आंखों के सामने, लेकिन एक ऐसी फिल्म जो पूरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को हिला के रख चुकी है। Everybody is talking about this movie, and it is not only for one reason. There are many of them there.
Yeah. See, I feel today we're making history.
Yeah, man.
अभी 100 साल बाद इंडियन सिनेमा की जब भी बात होगी, ब्रह्मास्त्र का नाम टॉप पे होगा। मतलब आजकल मूवीज लाइक यू सेड यार 4 महीने में
हम सर आगे जाए फिर
we are
आगे
living
जाए
those
यहाँ
times.
क्या
This movie
इनका रिलेशनशिप 10 महीने में टूट जा रहा है।
10 दिन में टूट जाता है यार।
No, but jokes apart, we've all seen, मैं भी हॉलीवुड फैंस मूवीज का फैन हूँ, देखते हैं वहाँ पे सब कैरेक्टर्स कोई इधर उड़ रहा है, सुपर पावर्स हैं, कोई दुनिया का सबसे शक्तिशाली है, किसी के हाथ में इतनी शक्ति, किसी के पास ये, किसी के पास वो। मैं देख के बोलता हूँ हमारे यहाँ पर तो ये हजारों सालों से चलता आ रहा है बॉस। हमारे संस्कृति में, हमारे कल्चर में उतर कर देखोगे ना तो ऐसी कहानियां और ऐसे पावर हाउसेस दिखाई देंगे कि उसके सामने ये सारे सुपर हीरो फेल लगते हैं, है कि नहीं?
बिल्कुल फेल। ये होगा बियॉन्ड सुपर हीरोज। ये जो आप देखोगे ना ब्रह्मास्त्र, ये 2022 का सिनेमैटिक इवेंट, मेगा इवेंट, जब ये रिलीज होगी ना फिल्म, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी आइकॉनिक, ओके? क्योंकि रणबीर का कैरेक्टर शिवा, उनके पास ऐसी डिवाइन पावर्स है, उसके सामने सब सुपर हीरो फेल है।
ज्यादा नहीं पता। हमें भी नहीं पता।
एक्चुअली हमको नहीं पता।
Aren't we all excited to watch what is happening tonight? The first time when I saw the ब्रह्मास्त्र के बारे में थोड़ी बहुत भी जब बात हुई थी, जब मैंने देखा था, I knew that it is going to be something iconic, but इतना बड़ा होगा, I couldn't have believed it, man.
What do you guys think क्या होने वाला है आज?
Yeah.
मतलब रणबीर आलिया से तो तुम मिल ही रहे हो, हाँ? रिलीज डेट क्या लगता है सब चालू लोग
खबर खुद ही बनाते हैं और फिर बता भी देते हैं. But so ब्रह्मास्त्र, what's
यार आप मुझे बताओ ब्रह्मास्त्र होता क्या है मंत्रा?
भाई सब हिंदी मीडियम वाले हैं, उनको अच्छी तरीके से पता है. अस्त्रों का अस्त्र ब्रह्मास्त्र, पंच तत्वों से बना, उन शक्तियों से जो आपके और हमारे बीच में, और ये समझ हमें हिंदुस्तान वासियों को सालों सालों से रही है. उसके बाद कहीं जाकर वहां से उसका साइंस निकाल के बाहर वाले ले आए. बट वी आर वेरी हैप्पी. एंड तुम्हारे लिए ब्रह्मास्त्र क्या है? सबसे बड़ा ब्रह्मास्त्र जो तुम पे इस्तेमाल हुआ है?
मेरे लिए ब्रह्मास्त्र मेरी मम्मी की चप्पल है.
अरे बाप रे!
उनका ब्रह्मास्त्र है वो. जब भी मतलब उनका पारा चढ़ता है
वो तो
वहाँ से
सभी की मम्मियों की तरफ से है. Any boys and girls? Yes, all the mummies. एक मम्मी तो सामने ही है. How are you, मम्मी? All good. You've come to see whom? किससे मिलने आई है? Hi girl, मम्मी बेटी सबके सब यहाँ पर. Everybody is here. Wow, this is brilliant. That's the beauty of Ranveer. His fan following is of all generations.
आलिया!
All of them. All right.
I'm here rooting for Alia.
Oh, this is brilliant. All Alia fans also over here. ये देखो.
मंत्रा
डॉली सीखो. मैं तो बोलता हूँ.
वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मंत्रा. अरे ब्रह्मास्त्र को वो कुछ करना होगा ना, अवेकन, जगाना.
You mean to say आवाहन?
आवाहन करना.
ब्रह्मास्त्र ऐसे नहीं आता मंच पे, वो आएगा हम सबकी शक्तियों के साथ. अब आप लोगों ने रणबीर और आलिया को तो पुकार ही लिया है, जरा ब्रह्मास्त्र को पुकारते हैं, ठीक है?
बुलाना पड़ेगा, जगाना
आवाहन
पड़ेगा.
साथ में. I need everybody's energies together. This is our film now. We are a part of this film, okay? One pace softly. Brahmastra, 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 Brahmastra. Louder. Brahmastra, 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 Brahmastra. Louder now. Brahmastra, Brahmastra, Brahmastra. Brahmastra. A little louder. Brahmastra, 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 Brahmastra. Loudest. Brahmastra, 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 Brahmastra. It's happening, Dolly. It's happening. Can you feel the energies amongst you guys? Can you feel it, guys? Come on, a loud applause for all of you. For all of you, come on, make some noise now. अब चूंकि ब्रह्मास्त्र का आवाहन हो ही गया है, डॉली.
अभी मेरे हिसाब से
नहीं हुआ? क्या करवाना बता?
करवाओ यार, एक दो बार और.
ऐसा?
करो यार. चलो शुरू से.
One.
ब्रह्मास्त्र.
Everybody go.
ब्रह्मास्त्र.
Louder. Brahmastra, 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 Brahmastra.
ब्रह्मास्त्र. यस, मैंने आपका ले लिया.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल खेल खेलेंगे. और आपको तो पता है कि ब्रह्मास्त्र. Not loud enough. People right behind. Can you make some more noise for Ayan? So in that case, ladies and gentlemen, we give you today at the Brahmastra fan meet, the man behind Brahmastra. Give it up for Ayan Mukherjee. It's your night, it's your stage, it's up, they're all waiting for you, and we are waiting to hear what you have to say. Thank you for sharing your passion with us.
Thank you, Dolly. Thank you, Mantra. Hi, guys. How are you? How are you? How are you? Acha, thanks very much. I thought you all only came to see Ranveer and Alia. I thought I'll quickly come and leave. Huh? How are you? Thank you all for coming. अभी तक फिल्म देखी नहीं today, but we still have COVID in the world, because of which we've had to restrict people coming. Should we space out a little bit? It's fine, you're here only. We have so much space. Huh? ठीक है. है, but please be careful, keep your masks on. Because of COVID protocols, thank you very much. I knew you all had to bring in some RT-PCR tests, double vaccination certificate. Thank you, we appreciate it. We've had to keep. Okay, let me start. For everyone watching this anywhere, and all of you, today is a very important day for us. It's just too important. Okay, because today is the day that we finally open the doors to the world of Brahmastra to all of you. Okay, and to people everywhere. So it's a very, very important day for me. I was 29 when we made Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. I am going to be 39 when Brahmastra releases. You know, so इस time में, you know, my other film directors have made 2-3 films. मेरे दोस्तों की शादी हो गई है, उनके बच्चे हो गए, 2 बच्चे भी हो गए कि हाँ, okay, we'll come to that later tonight. We'll come to that. But what I want to say is कि पिछले 10 साल से me but not just me, my entire team, हमने ये फिल्म बनाने में अपनी जान डाल दी है. Okay, because we really wanted to create something for you guys which is mind-blowing. You know, something unique, never seen before. And हम you know इतनी मेहनत करते हैं फिल्म बनाने में ताकि eventually हमारी audiences को वो फिल्म पसंद आए. Which is why it was in my mind, in my heart, that the first thing that we launch on Brahmastra, we actually invite the audience and do it with them. Okay? And you know, we're going to launch this motion poster unit today. I really, really want you guys to feel a part of it. Launch it with me because really it's very important to me. When you discover more about Brahmastra, you will learn that Brahmastra is a movie about energies. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है हमारी country में especially, in some way everybody understands this concept of energy, especially in our country. So I feel that the energy of everyone here, like good vibrations, is very important for the film, for this launch. So please give us like these good vibrations that we can launch this unit with. Let's launch it, the unit. Please see it. It's the first thing we're going to do on Brahmastra. Okay. So enjoy the unit, then we'll have some more fun. But let's have some fun while we launch it. Okay. So let's do this. 9 is a very important number for Brahmastra. You will discover why in a moment. Achha. So how about we count down from 9 to 1 and then we'll say play. And we'll play the unit. But let's do one more thing. Somebody from my team is in the control box. Kavir, why don't one of you go and press play on the motion poster? Who wants to go? Huh? I don't know how to pick like this. I can't pick like this.
इधर से बुला लो सामने उनको छोड़ो इधर से बुला लो यार उनको छोड़ो इधर से देखो आयान
This has become very difficult. This has become too difficult now.
आयान आयान
Okay. You guys will have more fun being here. Trust me, the person who goes over there will get left out. So you. Okay, you're right there, closest. Yeah, but where are you going? Somebody will take you over there to our team member, Kavir. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get off this stage and come down. And what let's do is, tell me when, Kavir, when you have her. Huh? So we'll go, hi. I hope you guys like the unit. You know, it's the beginning. আমি বাংলা বলতে পারি না, বুঝতে
guys, hi. I have completely forgotten this feeling, what this feels like. It means the world to me, to Team Brahmastra, that you guys are here on this very special day. I love you so much. Thank you for everybody who's seen this live. Let's just transfer some love here. Come on. Yes, sir. And you guys. Oof, thank you so much. So guys, it's been too long. It's been just too long. It's been 8 years. I remember that we were shooting the last schedule of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani when this boy wonder, this best friend, genius friend of mine, Ayan, narrated just the basic idea of a young man born with a great power that he doesn't fully understand, the power of fire. And it's been a lot of hard work, a lot of sacrifices, a lot of blood, a lot of sweat, a lot of tears, a lot of pain. And I think it taught me something very important in life, something that you and I can live by. That we have to hold on to the fundamental quality of faith, of having faith, Vishwas. Because beyond the pain, hard work, blood, sweat, tears, pain, there is something good. This, me, you guys, all of this is fucking good. I miss my father terribly today. I remember during the making of this film, during these last how many ever years, he kept fighting with Ayan and me and kept, questioning us, okay, what are you doing? Who takes so long to make a film? Who spent so much of money? Ranbir, you're not making one penny on this film. VFX film कौन देखेगा India में? India में कोई VFX film नहीं देखता. But I believe that he's here somewhere. I hope he's proud. I hope he's smiling. And just to pay a small tribute to him, if you guys know it, please join me. क्या तुमने कभी किसी से प्यार किया? कभी किसी को दिल दिया? मैंने भी दिया. Speaking about dil and pyar, as you know, Shiva, as you guys know, Shiva is incomplete without his Shakti, as you guys know. And Shiva's Shakti is so beautiful people of this beautiful planet. Let's all welcome my favorite, your favorite, everybody's favorite, Alia Bhatt!
Why are you leaving? But come back.
तू इतनी हॉट लग रही है कि कुछ हो रहा है मेरे को यार.
Ranveer, come back. I'm sorry, I'm just right now a little emotional because of what you said right now. I immediately started. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for being here today. This is such a big day. We are all so nervous, emotional. Like, it's such a big day for us. This has been such a long journey. And I know it's like we would have loved to have everybody over here, but because of COVID, like Ayan said, we had to keep the numbers tight. But seeing all your happy, smiling faces, although I really can't see your faces because of your mask, but through your eyes, it really means a lot. Like, I'm shaking right now.
So Ali, how are you feeling? अंदर से feeling क्या महसूस हो रही है?
अंदर से feeling, I mean, it's it's too much. मैं बहुत emotional हूँ. It's overwhelming. It's exciting.
इतना क्या? तू तो पोस्टर में भी नहीं है अभी तक. मतलब उसका पोस्टर आने वाला है. Good things, great things take time. And so why are you feeling so emotional?
Because you're on the poster, na baby. Of course I'll be emotional. No, also it's a big moment. Okay, so Ranveer and I and Ayan and actually the team of Brahmastra, we've been talking about this day for 4 years. कि एक दिन हमारा फिर poster launch होगा, trailer launch होगा, दुनिया को हम film दिखाएंगे. It's going to be like, when will that journey happen? We used to keep talking about it. And अब जब हम यहाँ हैं, I can't help but go back to when it all started.
When did it start? Do you even remember when it started?
Do you remember when it started?
I clearly remember when.
What do you remember? Now you're showing so much this thing. Tell me the first day. I'm not talking about shoot. First day we started work on Brahmastra.
So you mean the first day that we started?
Yes, that we start.
2017, 1st of Jan, Israel, Tel Aviv. And I know there's a picture on your Instagram also that you put the next morning with a black ganji and a leather jacket, which by the way, she sent it to me 15 minutes before she put it on Instagram.
Yeah, started what?
देख भाई, मैं तेरे को भस्म कर दूंगा. I have the power of fire.
Okay, you remember.
Of course I remember.
Well done. I don't know what to say. I love you too. Okay, should we? I really want to start talking to all of you all. Should we do the questions?
But before we, Alia, like I've been hearing, and all you guys have also been hearing, what is this new thing of RRR and this letter R? R से क्या relationship है तेरा? What is R?
What is R? What are you asking me?
I said, what is R? Why do these people keep asking you R? जवाब दो.
क्या जवाब दूँ?
जो भी सही है, जो भी truth है.
ट्रूथ ये है कि आर मेरे लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा नंबर 8 है. What does A mean to you?
A means Amitabh Bachchan. No, in all seriousness, A means Ayan Mukherjee. Let's call Ayan here. We're missing him.
We should call Ayan. Yeah.
Ayan!
Ayan?
I think Ayan has fainted. He's been so overwhelmed.
There, he's come back. Okay, guys.
How many of you want to see Ayan doing Balam Pichkari steps?
Of course you know the step.
Sing. Balam Pichkari.
जो तूने मुझे मारी कि सीधी सादी चोर शराबी हो गई कि जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ठुमका लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी. I can't believe I know this step. I wasn't even in the film. I still know the step exactly.
अरे मेरा काम ये थोड़ी है. Behind the scenes काम है मेरा. Exactly, right?
तो Ayan अभी क्या करना है? Now we are here. This moment your poster has released.
Big hug, guys, first.
Let's all go.
Acha, first can I ask you guys one question? How did you like the motion poster, honestly? How is it? It looked like a magnum opus to you. Let me take some reactions. I really want to know what you felt. It's good. Slowly.
तू जिस तरह की क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है मैं तेरे को टक्कर देने वाला हूँ नहीं बोल यार
अच्छा ठीक है. What I think we should do is we have some questions I believe which we've collected over time. आप लोग ने भी कुछ questions drop किए थे. Let's take some questions. Some questions people had sent us. So we should do it, but I have no idea how to do it. Somebody has to. Mantra, Dolly, आप लोग you're back.
Big hand for Mantra and Dolly. Thank you so much, guys. You guys amazing.
Sir, thank you for doing what you did. यहाँ पे सब कुछ चल रहा है और आप लोगों ने जो सवाल पूछे वो तो पूछे, but यार the beauty about this is, yes we can all come back. The beauty about this evening is आपने सबको इसका हिस्सा बनाया, ना केवल यहाँ पे जितने लोग मौजूद हैं बल्कि साथ साथ you ran this entire, मतलब सोशल मीडिया पे people were asking you question. There is specifically एक चीज देखी जा रही है यार, you want it to be their film too. It is their film and that's why उन्होंने कुछ सवाल पूछे हैं जो सोशल मीडिया पे हैं. मैं पहले वो पूछता हूँ फिर इनके भी सवाल आएंगे. First one is for Ayan. I don't know who sent this, but the question is very interesting. Ayan, what prompted you to change the title of the film from Dragon to Brahmastra? Wow.
Y'all knew when it was called Dragon and so I don't know how it got out. I think maybe I mentioned it once on social media. Actually, Dragon जब फिल्म का टाइटल था तभी उतना सोचा नहीं था उसके बारे में because Shiva in the film has the power of fire. I wrote the name Dragon on the script, but the film was always rooted and inspired by Indian culture, Indian history. So actually, the minute the time came to really give it a title, Brahmastra was always the right title for the film. But Dragon, only because power, fire, you know, China में film बनाते तो उसका नाम Dragon रखते.
Go with you on that, Ayan.
Chinese खाना खाते. Ranveer, my next question is to you. This is also from the fans on the internet. The question is that you've worked with Ayan so many times now. How easy or difficult it is to work with your best friend?
Oh God.
You know, he's a pain in the ass, like beyond a pain in the ass. He's such a hard taskmaster. But I think, you know, when we started out, we both were starting our careers in Wake Up Sid. And I think at that point in life, I really added something in his life, you know, as being part of Wake Up Sid. But I know this for a fact that today he really adds something to my life. And I'm really happy and proud that, you know, I'm working at the movies at the time of both these talents, Ayan and Alia, because I get so much from them. I'm so inspired by them. I love them so much. And I also get the opportunity to work with them.
ये दोस्ती बनी रहे हमेशा. जोरदार तालियां for this जोड़ी, guys. For this tigri actually.
For this degree, that's true. Alia, next question to you. I mean, you worked with the boys for the first time. Was it difficult? Did they bully you at all? Because you were joining
अरे
this
इसको
gang.
कोई bully नहीं कर सकता. Impossible. Impossible.
Was she the bully?
No, I'm not a bully, but they didn't bully me.
Okay.
Huh? She's the... No, I'm not the... Yeah, I would
Yeah,
like
yeah,
to be-
Alia's the boss.
Also, I think they really like listening to me speak. They enjoy it also because sometimes I say silly things and they, you know, get entertained by it. But there's only one boss on set and that is Ayan. When Ayan is standing and talking, we like it that way. He is like, he runs the set. He's screaming on the mic, he's jumping on rocks, he's rolling on the floor. He's doing everything. He doesn't sit the whole day. Like Ayan is just running the set and we like to be there, you know. We're
Yeah,
like his...
this is only 50% true, let me tell you. Before we came out today, Alia was like, Ranbir will stand there, Ayan will stand here, Dolly Mantra will stand there. So it's a collaboration of bossiness.
Ayan is right.
That's true. Actually, I would
It's
say
a
number 1,
collaboration.
number 2 and number 100.
Oh, number 100.
My little saint. He doesn't say anything.
Alright, these are the questions जो हमको we found from the internet, but you guys asked some very interesting ones. और आप लोगों ने शुरुआत में you created that आपने
Imran, do we
अपने
have a question?
या सवाल डाले थे in the bowl, so let's bring that up. ये आपके सवाल हैं जो आप लोगों ने दिए हैं जो आज यहाँ पर आए हैं.
अपने सवालों के लिए ताली बजा लो।
क्या बढ़िया कलर
I
कोऑर्डिनेशन।
hope आपने अच्छे questions
बहुत
पूछे।
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। Okay.
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 Pinks for
Okay.
so one question each for all three of you. Actually there are more, but अभी देखते हैं किसकी किस्मत
So the funny, not the funny thing, but the fun thing is,
I want this whole box. I'm going to take this all these questions home. Have you all left your numbers and all in this? If you had, we would have sent you all
You
answers.
leave your
This
number.
brief wasn't
On your
given to
phone.
me, यार। ये missed opportunity है।
so who's answering first?
I think Ayan, can we start with? You want to start with?
Ladies
Ayan?
first, let Alia go again.
Okay, Alia, go for it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Alia, can
I picked up.
Oh, you picked up. Okay, go.
Can you hold? Okay, this is not a question but a statement, but I'll still read it because it's sweet. It's from Sia. I love you, Alia. You're the best, prettiest, hottest girl. I love you. Sia,
Sia,
whenever
are you
you
there?
are.
Sia
Sia,
is
thank you
there?
so much. No one's ever called me hottest, prettiest, and best in the same sentence. Thank you. Have you ever called me hottest, prettiest, and sweetest in the same sentence?
No, not yet.
Yeah. Okay. Ishita has asked a question. You are more than a star. Movie choices are the best. Can't wait to see Gangubai. Love you, Alia. Okay, again, not a question. But love you. Thank you.
Minutes it'll take. I think we can be Kabir. I'm on my phone. No, it's on. Take a moment. Ask her in Russian. You have to give us a moment because my phone was loading the unit outside somewhere. You want him to wave at you? He's coming down to meet you only now. Janveer, he wants you to wave at him. Okay, fine. Come guys. Everyone, come. Let's. ठीक है Kabir, it's your kismat. We'll use your phone. Come, where's my phone? Yeah. ठीक है, I have it. Come, give it to me. Come. Okay. Okay, the picture is good. Rashi, come here. Come in the pit, guys. Amrita, Shruti, come in this pit. Okay, so we'll do one like this.
Come here.
Acha, but keep your. Okay. Okay, wait. Now, how do I click it? Huh? No, I have to click it, yeah? Hold on.
Okay, Ayan is struggling. Okay. Baby, Smile. One last, this side. Smile. That's great, thank you. Yeah, okay.
All right, you get a chance to be with your stars, people.